Hi guys, how are you today? Iryna Shevchenko is here, your Facebook group visibility coach and marketing strategist. In this video, I'm going to share with you one hack that you can use to mapping up your content for whole months ahead. So here is my hack that I personally love to use in my business. So when you go into keyword, everywhere.com, so the link is here somewhere. And this is how it looks like. So then you need to install. You can install to your Firefox, or you can actually install in your Chrome. That in my case, I would prefer the Chrome. So I'm gonna put my screen up like that, and I install it here with you. And yes, it's add to the Chrome. It takes 2 seconds to do that, which is this video is in the real time video. Boom, done. Yep, it's done. It's there. So we're here on the top, you actually can see it's added to my Chrome. So really cool thing. So here is what I need to do next. I'm going to my Google and I type the keyword. So for example, the keyword in my case, it would be list building. And here is what you guys need to pay attention after you create that, install that really cool thing. Okay, so when I type it, and in my case, because nothing is working right all the time, right? In my case, here is didn't show up anything, which is not really good. So what I do, I click on the right bottom of my mouse, and then I click analyze this page. The coolest part here is actually bringing me a completely new page with everything what I need to know about these keywords, the basically ideas. So for example, here is how I take these ideas and implement in my business. So the most popular keywords that related to this topic: to build email list, how to build email list, to build email list, how to build. So mostly it's like about how to build, right? So if I actually create the content or create a blog or create a video, even on I post it on YouTube and or Instagram, if I actually put something like just simple like this, like how to build email list or how to build a list, then those keywords are very popular. You can actually see that they're very popular. So for example, if I want to do something not list building, for example, mindset. And boom. And so for example, in my case, it didn't show up again. So what I do, I just analyze this one. Maybe my antivirus is blocking something, so it's totally okay. So when I click here, so mindset, grow your mindset. People can search for mindset for the new psychology of success related to the mindset, grow mindset. So you can see like type of the mindset, those top keywords that you show. So you can actually change it to 10 to 100. You can do it all of them. So but top here on top, if you use this type of the keywords, you're gonna create more traffic to your content. So the idea is install that website, install it on your computer, this Chrome app. When you create the content, add the keywords that will make your content spread the word for you about your content, and watch how it goes viral. Make sure you also help Google to create traffic to your content. So when you create a piece of content, make sure you send it to your email list, maybe promote it organic way or the pay way, but give a boost to promote your content at the beginning before it's actually taken off and go crazy out there. So good luck with your content, guys. Use these keywords to create more traffic for your content. Stay consistent with the content